Thank you very much. This is in continuation of the math class for class 4. Today I am going to discuss subtraction for 5 to 6 digit numbers. And first I will discuss some properties of the subtractions. So, property of the subtraction, this is very important one the student should know. Suppose if you are subtracting 0 from any number, here I am written 49, but it can be any number, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, up to 5, 6 digit. Then the result is going to the same number. And here the number is 49, but it can be any number. That is the first property. Second property, if 1 is subtracted to any number, then the difference is the predecessor of the number itself. For example, I am subtracting 1 from 60, so the result is 59. And this 59 is the predecessor of 60. That's very important. Third is that if the number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0, because these properties I am going to use for the next subtraction in detail. The most important thing, the formula for subtraction is minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. This is very important, and this is valid only when minuend is greater than subtrahend. Be careful in subtraction. Minuend should be always than the subtrahend. If it is less, then you have to make it greater than subtrahend. If minuend is less than subtrahend, then the digit is borrowed from the higher place to the lower place. I will explain you what is the meaning of higher place to the lower place. Just see here. Place for 6 digit number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is known as place or position. Position means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now, here I have written that if minuend is less than subtrahend at any place or position, for example, suppose at third place the minuend is less than subtrahend, then you have to borrow from the thousands to the 100. Here you have to be sure that 1 lakh is equal to 10H, 1 TTH is equal to 10 TTH, 1000 is equal to 10H, 1H is equal to 10T, and 1T is equal to 10 ones. And here I am giving the example here. Suppose this is the difference. This is the minuend. And this is the subtrahend. Just see, at H, we are seeing that the minuend is less than subtrahend. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 1000, because this is the at H. And if you are borrowing from 1000, that means 60 the digit. Out of 6 TH, I have borrowed 1 TH. So what is left? 5. So you cut 6 and remaining should be 5 here, and then 1 TH, this 10H. That is how you have to transfer from higher place to, so here it is the higher place, this is the higher place, and this is the lower place. Place and place values are altogether different. So I am borrowing from higher place to the lower place. So from borrowing I will write 1H, but at the lower place I have to write 10H, because 1 TH is equal to 10H. Next I am going to solve the same problem. Example 1. Find the difference between 2,56,014 between this and this. This is higher than this, so higher value is the minuend. First I have written the place. This line is the place. Then minuend. then subtrahend. Just see. Difference should start from at O. Just see at O. Minuend 4 is less than subtrahend. So as I said, minuend is less than subtrahend. Then you have to borrow from 10. Just see. So 10 has one digit. So if you borrow from one digit, so remaining will be 0 here. And then 1t borrowed, it becomes 10O. And 10O plus 4 is equal to 14. 14O. Now you have to now 14 minuend become higher than the subtrahend. So the 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. The 6 is the difference. I have written here 6. Again, here 0. At t, 0 is less than subtrahend 5. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from h, but h has no digits. It is 0 digit. So what you have to do? Then we go to thousands. So from 1000, the digit at minuend is 6. So from 6 you have to borrow 1 th. So 6 becomes 5 because 1 it has been borrowed, and 1 th becomes the 10h. Right? Now here it is 10h and 0. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. So 10 remains there. Now here h has a 10 digit, 10 number. So if you borrow from here, then it becomes 9, and here you have to write 1h. 1h. And this 1h becomes here 10. 10t. Now here 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, which is higher than 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Just see, here I have written 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, and if you're subtracting, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. That's how I have subtracted at the 10. Now we should go at h. H already 9 is left. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then again go to th. Next. अब देखिए, at th, minuend 5 is again less than 7. So to make the minuend greater than subtrahend, borrow 1 th is equal to 10t from th to th, which makes the thousands as 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 thousands. That's here. We are talking at th. 5 is less than 7. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from TTH, 10,000. 10,000 has a digit 5. So 5, if you borrow 1 TTH, cut, it becomes 4. 1 TTH, here becomes 10 TH. And 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now here, again 4, TTH. 4 is less than 6. Just see here, TTH. Minuend 4 is less than subtrahend 6. Again borrow from 1 lakh is equal to 10 th from L to th. और लिविंग 1 at L. अब देखिए कैसे इसको एक्सप्लेन मैं कर रहा हूं. अब देखिए L has 2 digit. If you borrow 1 digit, 1 is left. And 1 L is equal to 10 TTH. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Here 1 is left, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So rest difference I have given here at TTH. Minuend 4 is less than 6. Again borrow 1 is equal to now from L to H. Leaving 1 at L. 8, 10H plus 4H is equal to 14 TTH. Now you have to subtract 6 from 14 because 14 is the minuend and 6 is the subtrahend. It becomes 8. Just see, I have shown here 8. Now 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So in lakh, I have just shown 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. Just what you have to do? You have to write difference first and then subtrahend and then add. यहाँ देखिए 6 plus 8 14. 1 is carried over at T. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5 11. Again 1 carried over H. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 इज अगेन कैरीड ओवर। इसका डायरेक्शन आपको यूं बनाना चाहिए, जो है एक कैरीड ओवर का डायरेक्शन ये होता है और बारोड का डायरेक्शन जो है उल्टा होता है, ये ध्यान रखिएगा, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अब देखिए अगेन यहाँ पर 8 + 1 9, 9 6, 1 अगेन कैरी, 1 + 8 9, 9 6 15, 1 कैरीड, 1 + 1 2। देखिए अब ये आपका मिनुएंट जो है वही मिनुएंट है जो आपका यहाँ पर मिनुएंट दिया गया है। दैट मीन्स आवर सब्सट्रैक्शन इज करेक्ट। दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट part of my lecture. Now the most important part is example 2. To find out the missing digit, that is very very important. अब देखिए, I have just written the fill up the missing digits in the following subtraction. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, इस चीज को ध्यान में रखिएगा जो है। अब यहां पर सब मिसिंग डिजिट स्क्वायर में दिया हुआ है, इसको फिलअप करना है। नंबर इज क्लियर। So again, we have to use the formula minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. यानी minuend जो है should be always higher than the subtrahend, then we can fill up this position at O. अब देखिए minuend minus subtrahend is equal to 3, ठीक है। अब देखिए now we have to find out this missing square। तो मिसिंग स्क्वायर माइनस है, इधर ले जाएंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा, और +3 इधर ले जाके -3 हो जाएगा। तो बेसिकली 8 - 3 = 5। सो हियर वी फिल अप 5 एट O places। द मिसिंग डिजिट हैज बीन फिल अप एज ए 5। नाउ कम एट T। हियर अगेन T 3 इज लेस देन सबट्रैक्शन, minuend इज लेस देन सबट्रैक्शन। इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, बारो करना पड़ेगा। कहां से, H से। H हैज द डिजिट 7। इफ यू गिव 1 H टू T इट बिकम 6। क्रॉस करिए 6 लिखिए और 1 H को 10 H कर दिए, और 10 + 3 13, 10T + 3T = 13T, और 13T में से 7 घटाएंगे तो कितना बच जाएगा, 6T, विच इज द डिफरेंस। तो यहां पर 6T, यहां पर ये फिलअप हो गया। अब आइए एट H। एट H क्या है, एट H minuend 6। अब 6 देखिए अगेन लेस देन 8, तो क्या करेंगे, बारो फ्रॉम TH। तो TH पर क्या है, 1 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा। और 1 TH ये 12 हो रहा है, वो इक्विवेलेंट टू 10H, और 10H + 6H = 16H। और लिविंग 1 की जगह 0 रहेगा, ये ध्यान लीजिए, यहां लिखा हुआ है इज मिसिंग एंड हेंस राइट द 1 एट मिसिंग प्लेस एंड देन बैरो 1 TH रिटर्न फ्रॉम हियर, लिविंग 0 एट TH, 0 एट TH। तो TH पर 0 ही है। अब देखिए 16 - 8, 8 डिफरेंस। अब यहां पर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि यहां पर बारो हमने कैसे किया है, यहां पर हमने 1 लिख दिया है, उसको बारो किया है, क्योंकि इसके पास तो कुछ था ही नहीं। अर्लियर दिस वाज ए ब्लैंक डिजिट। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, इसको ध्यान रखिएगा। इस तरह से था, ये यहां पर कुछ नहीं था, ये यहां पर कुछ नहीं था, ठीक है। और लेकिन ये 6 8 से इसको बारो करना है, तो जब उसके पास कुछ है नहीं है तो उसको कुछ दे दीजिए। तो 1 बारो करना है, तो 1 हमने यहां पर इसीलिए लिख दिया था। यहां पर हमने यहां पर 1 लिख दिया था जो है, और 1 लिख करके 1 बारो करोगे तो इसको कट करके यहां पर 0 कर दीजिए। 1 आ गया, 10 + 6 8। अब यहां पर देखिए 0 हो गया है। 0 इज, अगर आप H पर जाएंगे, अब TH पर मैं बता रहा हूं, TH पर जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, देखिए एट TH minuend 0 इज अगेन लेस देन 3। तो अब इसमें क्या करेंगे, बारो फ्रॉम TTH। तो TTH पर क्या है, 7। तो 7 में 1 बारो करेंगे तो 6 हो जाएगा, और 1 TTH को 10H, और 10 + 0 10, 10 - 3 7। देखिए यहां पर मैंने लिखा है। फिर हमने लिखा है कि 10H + 0 is 10H and subtract 3H from 10 TTH। तो 10 TTH - 3 TTH = 7 TTH। दिस इज डिफरेंस। तो वो हमारा फिलअप हो गया, हमारा यहाँ पर 3 का फिलअप हो गया, यहाँ पर 3 लिख देंगे, ठीक है। 6 - 3 = 3। अब देखिए यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर दिया हुआ 6 - 3 = 3, वहां पर भर दिया। अब इसको चेक करिए, चेक करने के लिए क्या है, सेम चीज वही लिखी है, सेम थिंग्स यू राइट। हमने जो ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर है, देखिए क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर है, इसी चीज को हमने लिखा है 71738। देखिए 71738, और देखिए फिर नीचे हमने क्या लिखा है 33875, 33875। अब इसको हमने क्या किया है, घटा दिया है। 5 - 8 - 5 = 3, करेक्ट है। अब देखिए यहाँ 3 है, लेस देन, यहाँ पर 12 किया, 10 + 3 13 - 7 6, सही हो गया। फिर यहाँ 6 है, फिर 12 किया, हमारा देखिए यहाँ 1 से 12 किया तो 0 हो गया, तो 10 - 16 - 8 = 8, सही है। फिर यहाँ पर 10 + 0 0 हो गया, 7 हो गया, 6 - 6। सो इसको कहेंगे कि द आंसर इज करेक्ट with filling of missing digits. I hope that is the end of my lecture 7. Thank you very much.